track just what Sunday one day a yakateke train. Yani a kokoshe one more patent ya towards a sea patrol. Would you borrow one more a fin full video one case quenya fast war. A match as a tipo track, Kosi Kateke Kwanswa. Nan yakateke but you for tipo track this one any abja. What Baba Buania Kwama Power CTV any Accra FM 100.5 Facebook one ma. Woman and Padina Yakan grow any breast of papa. Sansa Shasadia Kiano, why ya will see what the boy can punimu. Nasa Kiano cried on what says one more way in a new cry. Because when you saw no Yan Nana, Trebi Baba Fast I can take a quanaso. And now to say, I just a drop of one. One more time forward that and to say he was and went Joho. Yes, I think one will be Binania. One more man to boy, Yabe Pedros and dear Nidio Binimu. And to Burum of Facebook one more video in the hall. Quenya, Kitake Nebasanu, no traffles of rooms. I know, coming I am not at this other way. Any party, you care him one and get the fahini. Now, and then you can want some say no. I have just said another, and your boom woman, yeah, a man of Pekra so, and your pronto breakers, boom, your catcher was a brand Sebaqua. What do your friend Eber Zidito, whatever you said, your Nabaco? Say, I want on the car, I said, yes, you can take a quantity, so ruin so. Now, and then, yeah, and tempestuously. I'm out for cross of what you also say, Croman, who said, Woody Bonia. Yet to be credited was 10 times, sir. What we didn't get there, some people to promise say, yeah, one with your cocoa pure more quarto, no cocoa pure more quarto, no. And your quarto, and in Tansa would be a branch ebo, Zibitoya, when you fish your number, quiet as one, no. And where's a Kenya, no need to tip a tracker. What the coffers I can take a quinoso. Now, and then Tansa won the born one chest and Tansa 9 and 1 day in war. Now, a woman said, a branch energy to some part, or from what didn't cross him. And he above Fanchanua, and the Mubakudia watches there be, and they would need for home. Bakuna watches only for only a say, one will tell you what you can, what the Koya wanted to me cracked. I want lances in what does it be? Lances in the Obi-Pan and lances, no? And the car noir and they train what you first when you move. No more me and say, what the boy Nubako, I say. And they said, you know what you can, no? Bloody Basia, inconsiderate driving. Baby, I'll go for any question for one consider, and then any inconsiderate, Miss Desi. Inconsiderate driving. We are no grounds of free one more. Causing unlawful damage, not just a one for Papa, so no, I say, by the paddy. Be a nanny, I go for a trade. Dear free Poland, the dear by testing my country, testing my country. What my dear na say? We are no so cross to tell you what would you just say? You want your mouth of a brain now, why, yeah, and no, etia, section 3 of the Road Traffic Act 683204. Namia, 1 Monday, no, Act 761 of 2018. And to one we are in the and one much as there be a branch ever. Adiana Wadino, off from Rapa Papa. And tis a one gas waji and turn some years up to when they move back open 1 year to Nidia. Busumisia and pray for them. Walk with them or walk up with Jumat. Tene and sweat the account of Manasta of Mufia. One copper off, Uncle Paco, River Crosswalk. We are no cross to chair on Chesse. Sabranti lances, no. Posy for the quarter for near your money. Nasa ne ever told us we didn't try the Achawamwa. And then be a crown of Busumisiano. What to me a cobessa Busumia Dunu. Asa the appeal I want them war. And no, the name so yen there. And yet said Robert Nino, 1 hour car on that. Internet, Central Phone in the car on that. Ebon Comma, what about Facebook on my who car on? Said ya what's here. And you have been more crack, I know what NDC me, and what I say just when you can say. Talk one on the Akasan, what I say, and the drummer in the friend said, and they Wako Kakremu. Now, then, say, one more shut down. I said, what you say 1 way, yes, I said, may I train the baby truffles for Nabi Beatis and one crady. No one is a train, no, when your mamma for cry, and I'm on a cocobanasa, Yantia Kawan.
Block factory when my driver came to me that he was passing through the under bridge where the railway is, so he found difficult of passing there. So after he passed there, then he's going to offload the blocks. So after he's done with the blocks, then when he was coming back, he was not able to pass there, so he have to turn back. Even though when with the block, when he's passing there, you see a scratching under the bridge. Yeah, so after the discharging of the blocks, he's trying to pass there back, but the car was torn now. At first, the car was down, so he was able to pass there. Then he take a different alternative that he will take to the railway, the top of the railway. So he passed through the railway and he started. So he said he need jack to jack it so that the car can move quickly. So even though he was coming with the jack, then he heard that the train smashed the car into pieces. So this is what we have official complaint with the driver. He was arrested. They leave him, then later we go and arrest him at home. Yeah.
Eti wey aya trakwana no nenka na yete ya no nanu achi anu wasada to ja wache se amafo bi keka ake ya wo mo ye no hu san wano kra no obi na so da chie wo ya monwani anu obi aso achie no obezo sabotage rire minister owura Peter Mawuni ne dom nyade no wache so won no ono businessman yo wanya monwani hwe MPP ni anisi agro ya wo mu di wanka ho etu obi kasa wo boa.
The railway authorities should look at it very well because development are going on here, big one. So they should help us to get a road to those sites that we can go. So big cars, tipper truck will be coming here. So we beg them that they should create a good road for us so that the big cars can be able to come. I'm not aware. We are not aware. How we pass there? We are not aware. Politics. Don't do politics. It's sabotage. Yeah. I'm not doing politics. I am a businessman. Yeah. Okay. So I'm not a politician.
Ati ania trakwa na no wacha say wono ne de wonya politician na udru Accra FM 100.5 Facebook page one mo a kwa said ayi owura Peter Mawusu omo na di video no aba se ade ni si wofra no owura Peter Mawu na ka se gina ba bi kan se track no esi wono a ye kan sa no na fake Photoshop na kokko wi aso wono a de ko to ni Facebook wono a wansa de hu video aba tinie se fake gonye fake akra de ya dwe ho na mo footage a ene ministry no one mo dia ba no ene na da Facebook wono mo a o he no etuwa wo de obu anya kwa ma trans na sese na wa analyze na he video no said ye tie he fake original wa obehu na wa mapeda da don't mani mahama anyumre ya ani wa kwa nim krata Facebook ne so amo mapeda da de sema do bia tudwa wo che mu dia tese no kwani ade akoso anu a ya kan wasem se no ene wa pa na mapeda da de aso kan so obusensen fo mienu miensa bi wase adenti ne keteke kwa foforo real line ye bunu tian ni ese e be tesra na ya nya track inspection chese panyi bien won mu aka ne se ade no e de kwa kofa kwan so na wase hwe na ye kofa kwan so rese bibia de mpromprom a akwansidie bia ni kwan so anom ye test no anu wase busa se sa vehicle no kwa no aye kan wasem no enei ehun video da Facebook kwano no car no ebre ben na die wasa keteke kwan so anu so yasem bisa man pede da busa anu wade atwato no wade se wono semprempre mu pa wa yaga no man panyi na be kwakufu adon kon na ya man panyi a asem wei kan se bo busa fa ho no kana so afo no ane won ya rewe sese ho no an kan so bo busa wono anyensem wa tuma pede da kra de he's in shock wa shock e awasa ensemi ehwo
Accra 100.5 FM so yeni affiliate stations information centers awodo kan one and you may so CTV Ghana's #1 television e ho so so behu ye wo hono ma ye twago e wo hono mo ene ye kase no ene de ya kire ya kwaba mu pa kwaso awie wadwe kire no so fa Facebook live Accra 100.5 e bre semu ye bekenka bi e de amamom ye gina mu NDC amanyoko no edin mu biewo na National Democratic Congress ne nkwabata e wo epoye mantem wani esuhum poten kra no e na wo to wonsa efre Ghana man nyina ne national no kwampo NDC amenyuko no edombo aboafo me kire emma no National Women's Organizer Mame Dr. Hanabisiu ene mpanifo aka ene okopie mu apoye mantemu ba pani a woboaboa edomo ano ema no afa no mpo ene suma bato mpesua so nyina na kyese ne mpanifo atwotwo wuro eba ne se executive se wandi se amenyoko ni nyina no eka ho bie ne de nyasem kuma abusua kopie mu suhum ene ne mpatemu suhum market wotitiri sei abusua wo mo ene wo mafo no edi nkomo pa woto wo mu gu edwani mu pa na efe keke na de esi ya kakra na kyese enkame akwa yete se ne eboa adansifo ato atwene se ho ebehia dabi NDC pa ne de wo mo eso wo mo street se de ebisi wo kumase nanum wonom a na kyese ayefa ayahom kapa na empanifo ene adwadifo no etwetwe nkomo ena na wo kyerese ane wo hwe NPP abai we say no dia oh wo ma mebo bra ba ko kra na baby anaka yaduru no kwa wo ma sa te asan ye kra mazisi e Ghana baby a ye nenam kwa no emfihie bedi ansa na yetimi kwa sa ba ye nim no aya ebe hadwe papa be chere ye papa kame se ye tutu ya nam akọ ye nimu na ya sa ba ye chi be de wo no mo eti wo che se ye kọ ye nimu no se de ye tintim wo ba bia ya kwa akọtoi no wo che se emu ebe ye den pa na so no bibia mu no eya na ye wo agenkwa wo che se agenkwa no a ene NDC candy form John Dramani Mahama His Excellency in 24-hour economy no a wo de aba na so wo de eba no say wo say ebeboa enwuma pa na suhumfo so enya de se wo mu ebeyi wo mu ayi pamu a wo mu nyina won sa beka bi ensam dodo no a eka we ho ena empanifo awodo ekopie mu adwumadie na se ene de odin ka akwa ka sa su